Hi everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are going to be discussing a very highly demanding technology like blockchain. What is blockchain basically? Previously, this blockchain is basically available like bitcoins. Okay, this is a cryptocurrency. This is a cryptocurrency. This is a cryptocurrency. Crypto. What is the meaning of crypto? Huh? Secure currency. Currency. Okay. Ah. Basically, this cryptocurrency previously available like bitcoins. Bitcoins. Mm. Nowadays, this is actually different kind of phases nowadays. It is going to be taking like previously it is bitcoins. Now it is like uh, Solidity, Ethereum, Ethereum nowadays, which is going to be like Ethereum. Ethereum now Ethereum is very famous. Okay, so what is this Ethereum and what this Ethereum? Ethereum. What this Ethereum? This is going to be available like transactions. Basically, transaction, how people are going to be transactions, different persons. For example, this person and this person have do some transaction. This particular transaction, there are multiple banks which are going to be available, like multiple money resources. There are multiple money resources. How the person, how the person is doing transactions with multiple agencies or multiple banking sector or financial sector, wherever it may be. Okay, nowadays frauds are going to be happening with the transactions. There are a lot of frauds which are going to be happening with the transactions. Maybe your transaction is going to be blocked. Sometimes your transaction is going to be reverse. Sometimes your transaction is going to be going to the another account. It's a kind of transactions which are going to be happening with nowadays. So those particular transactions, secure transactions, how to do a secure transaction and how to save these particular transactions with the multiple areas. Okay, some transaction done. Okay, some system failed, some system crashed. Okay, there are a lot of transactions with the bank, for example. This person actually storing the money with the banks, different kind of banks. Okay, different kind of banks. This person is going to be investing the money. For example, this bank is going to be a server crashed or fired, whatever it may be. So what this person can do? So that kind of situations nowadays people are facing. Okay. So to stop these kind of fluctuations and situations, how the transactions are going to be happening with the blockchain. Okay. So now the blockchain terminology, how the blockchain terminology is, for example, sorry, for example, one person is going to be doing with one transaction. I just want to keep like this. Okay. Now come to the blockchain. Come to the blockchain. How the blockchain transactions which are going to be happening with blockchain transaction, blockchain transactions. Okay. How these blockchain transactions are going to be happening with, for example, in a one sector, in one organization, there are multiple transactions which are going to be happening with. Okay, one transaction which is going to be happening with one person or one bank, whatever it may be. Okay, this person is going to be doing one transaction, which is actually storing with the multiple blocks. And this bank is going to be storing the money into the another area, and this person is going to be investing the money in another area. Okay, so money is going like this. Money is going like this. When the money is one transaction done, see one transaction done, one ledger get generate. One transaction done, or there are multiple transactions done. That is going to be storing in one ledger. These ledgers are actually storing with the blocks. These ledgers are going to be storing with the multiple blocks, and these blocks are encryptable and decryptable. Okay. So nobody can steal your money. Nobody can steal your money. Suppose, for example, one block fired, one block deleted. The transaction gets stored with another block. Na? Every transaction is going to be storing with the multiple blocks here. Every transaction is going to be storing into the multiple blocks here. How the money is going? The number of blocks are going to be storing with the ledgers, and this is called blockchain. This is emerging technology. Okay, now how this registrations are going to be happening with, how these bank transactions are going to be happening with heavy transactions. Each and everything is going to be highly secured with the encrypted algorithms. Encrypted algorithms. Nobody can hack the system. For example, one bank server can able to hack in this area. One bank server can able to hack by hackers. All the things are getting done loss. But here nobody can hack. In this area, nobody can hack. For example, one system got hacked, one block got hacked. Another blocks, your ledger stored, your ledger stored in all blocks, na? Your ledger is going to be storing in all blocks, na? Okay, one block is crashed, another block is going to be available, another blocks are going to be available in your ledgers. And how to do these blockchain transactions? What is the area we can do this? So Python is going to be available for the blockchain. I will show. Python is the programming where you can able to create your Python blockchain. If you search for Python blockchain, using with Python code, Python programming language, you can create your blockchains. There is one library available for Python to do this. Okay, maybe PyBlock. Blockchain Python. Let me search like blockchain Python. The blockchain Python library. If I search for blockchain Python library, PyP. This is the blockchain Python library where you can able to create your blockchain, where you can able to work with your blockchain. Okay. There are huge number of job openings which are going to be available for this blockchain in the industry. If you search in the LinkedIn, blockchain developer, blockchain developer, companies are recruiting. All companies are recruiting blockchain developers. First, learn Python programming, then learn blockchain, how to do blockchain, and how to do this cryptocurrency, how to do work with this kind of concepts. Okay, if you search in Naukri, even Naukri also, my God, 62,000 jobs are there, sir. 62,000 jobs are there for the Python blockchain developers. Yes, yes, yes. All these are jobs. Huge number of jobs which are going to be available. Okay, come to the Mohansh Technology. Mohansh Technologies providing you Python programming free of cost. No need to pay money. And after that, you can learn blockchain Python. Blockchain Python, we will be having a huge number of content, a very good content which was developed by Mohan's Technology, blockchain fundamentals and smart contracts, dApps, decentralization applications you have to create. And Python for blockchain, building blockchain applications, cryptography security, advanced use cases, mechanisms, career industry. There are multiple things. Course is going to be starting very soon. People just stay tuned to Mohan's Technologies. And uh, come to the Mohan's Technologies YouTube channel. When you come to the Mohan's Technologies YouTube channel, you will be having a playlist, different kind of playlist available. In that, you can search for blockchain Python. You search for blockchain Python. We already uploaded a lot of videos. You can search for this. This is the playlist where you can able to find out different kind of videos for the blockchain. Okay. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody want to learn this course, please comment in the comment box. Okay. Comments are needful, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned to Mohan's Technologies.